Hey, it's Steve Zonardo here with Treviso Homes and Treviso Realty. We're back at our Cape Coral property. This is probably about a week and a half after we shot our last one. If you can kind of see, culverts all finished up. Tomorrow we're going to do the driveway. If you can see, the driveway cut's already done. So tomorrow driveway is going to be put in and walkway. We have the landscaping package approved today, which will be installed next week. So all the exterior will be finished, irrigated. We have a pretty robust landscape package that we're putting up here, almost over 100 plants. So it's going to look really, really nice. Let's have a look. So we had also LCEC put a new electrical power in, so which is great. So now we have a full electrical, we're all powered up with the water and also electrical. But I don't think we did the decking, like the pool decking wasn't done. There's a bunch of stuff now that's taken place rather. So here it is. We're still getting this area done now. If you see, the last time we were here, we had an issue with the kitchen cabinet. So this has been removed. We back charged the company there. This has been removed and replaced. So a little bit of a hassle, but Nice Clayton did an amazing job getting it all done. Had an issue here with the wire. Clearly it was put in the wrong location. We had to get the crew back to hog up a new hole, which is fine. This is also be covered by the hood range anyway. Again, these are things we'll need to be, on a checklist going forward. Appliances are all in. If you can see the wall oven, so built-in microwave and oven, which is nice. I really like this. This is the way to do it instead of having just a stove. And if you see under here, there's going to be a cooktop, which is nice. Let's have a look at the exterior area here. I'm not sure when you guys were back the last video, but this is now the pool decking has been completed. Yeah, really, really cool spot. So you just got to remember, this is 58 feet wide, the building itself. So we got 58 feet by, I think we're about 20, 25 feet out. So we're almost about 1,600 square feet of decking here. The pool cage has been ordered. That'll be in here in the next couple of weeks. It's just going to take some time to get out here. And hopefully by next week, we should have the pool spray with the gunite. We're putting the pool equipment in this week. The HVAC has been installed last week, and the air conditioner has been installed, and also the air handler has been installed. Just going to put some filtration, like the covers through the house, but that's pretty much it. What else? Yeah, we can take a look at the master bathroom. And then the last time we were here, the glass was taken out because of the tiles that needed to be replaced in the master bedroom. You start to see the transition of the house starting to look really, really nice. Yeah, so this is it. Pretty nice job. Really, really excited about this. Mirrors are all in. Again, it still needs a deep clean, but it's all here. It's all running water now. Ooh, that's not good. You know what's hilarious? I did that. I put it there on purpose. If someone's going to use it, they're going to get sprayed, and who got sprayed? I basically sabotaged myself. Yeah, that's what I get. Yeah, so this area is all done. It was such a pain in the butt. Clearly, we had to replace these tiles. We had to get this all straightened out. It's still not 100%, but it's much better. Now we have no gap underneath the fixture. Again, these are things you want to make sure that I don't want to deliver the house and not feel comfortable with the product. So make sure everything's perfect. Glass is back in. Again, when we redesign this house, we're gonna add some changes. This is way too big of an area. Probably gonna pull maybe 16 inches or 24 inches out of this room because it doesn't need to be this big. Also, the panel is so much more expensive to get that additional glass in there. Yeah, and I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna take maybe 1.5 feet out of there, or maybe 1.5 feet out of here, and we're gonna add it to the master bedroom. What other area do we have?
Everything's been different since the last.
Yeah, that's because the other side's all done. The bedroom, the 2 bedrooms with the extra baths, all complete. So, yeah. And that's pretty much it. This is the update. By next week, we should have it all fully landscaped and hopefully the pool full of water. Maybe not, because the cage is going to be up, but for sure fully landscaped and driveway done and all the landscaping package is complete. And hopefully the interior is fully done. Last punch list with the paint and the exterior and interior punch list done. And that's it. And then we're going to lock this place up and then clean it, get a real deep clean in it, and then officially take photos of it and get it listed on MLS. That's it. We'll get you on the next one.